I'd like to go ahead now and introduce our speaker for this evening, David Pasica.
This is actually one of my favorite lectures. I'm quite passionate about the whole governance experience. You probably know about boards of directors and you've heard about advisory boards, but how do those structures sync and link together? So if you're starting up your early stage company, what you probably do is surround yourself with lots of family and friends, and you ask for lots of advice from everybody. And that's essentially your early stage advisory board. So that would be stage one. And then as your company starts to take some shape, and let's say you get to the first major step, which was incorporate. In those articles of incorporation, you have to designate a single board member. It might just have one person on it, it might actually be you, but that's the way it starts. Just a little bit now, shifting gears and talking a little bit about what these directors do. The first one is something called the fiduciary duty. The director has to act in the best interests of the corporation. The other duty that the director has is something called a duty of care. It's really to exercise care and diligence and skill that anyone faced with similar information would make the same kind of choices. And then the third duty is really around monitoring the performance of the organization and enhancing the decision-making capability of management. Often in this hall I get asked about the advisory roles because not everyone will go to a board structure right away. There's really 5 types of advisors that you might want to have on your advisory board. The first one is the customer, so someone obviously knows the business development cycle. Everyone needs a geek, they say, so someone who can do a little reality check about the technology. You need sort of a father figure, if you will, someone's got that calming influence, someone watching the dollars and cents. And then, of course, the Jerry Maguire type, lots of connections, lots of network. I'm a big believer in the next item, which is having a charter. And a charter is essentially just almost like a job description on what you expect from your board and your advisors.